Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Lola. Dun, 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 dun. Happy birthday, Lola.
Tama ka ba?
Happy birthday, Lola.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Lola. Wish. Love you, wish. Hindi natin dala yung cake niya. Thank you. Thank you. Love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you. Birthday, Lola.
Cake ko, boy, cake ko. Happy birthday.
Isa pa, para sa inyo naman dyan. Miss, isa pa. Ganito.
Wood carving needs to be lifelike and full of spirit. Luckily, this man's father was a master wood carver. He had learned from him since he was a child. Even though he was young, he had the
Pumwesto si
skills
Athena,
of a
pumwesto.
seasoned master.
Hindi mo pumwesto.
I cannot wait for that one.
A stunning, lifelike wood carving was completed. When the boss saw the finished piece, he was stunned. He couldn't believe his
Athena.
eyes. This young man had such incredible skills. The boss immediately decided to give him a $5,000 raise and hired him at $25,000 a month. Even though
Sarap, be.
others in the family
Sarap.
Ano yan, oh? Eto! Ang layo ng tingin.
Hindi yan. Ay, may card din sila. Ito.
Ah! Tago niya, tago niya, tago niya. Tago niya.
Akin to chocolate.
Yung chocolate. Kumain na si Terdy ah. Tapos na siya. Buwan mo, darling mo. Bilan nyo kay Terdy chocolate.
Binakbaan niya tingin na yung ano eh.
Habulin mo siya. No. No. O, balik. Dito, dito, dito.
Galing pa kayong Thailand? Hanggang ano oras ba yung simbang gabi?
Oh!
8:30
Oh,
to...
shit.
Ang katanggol!
8:30 to...
Ayan naman. Birthday girl, babe! Wow, effortless. Tina. Last 3 pins. Uh-oh. May. Kanal. Kanal.
Pa.
Big! Right. Ayan na siya. Thank you sa Starbucks.
Ano na kayo nangyayari